In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a recurring invoice inside of Zoho Books. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho Books like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over here to the left-hand menu and go down to Sales. Then from here, if you go down, you can see there should be something called Recurring Invoices. And here you need to click on this plus icon right beside that. Then from here, this page should be popping up. And here you can add in your customer name. And if you don't already have a customer, you can click create a new one down here, or you can select any one of your already existing customers. Then from here, you can also add a billing address or a shipping address if you want to do that. Then from here, you need to add in a profile name, you need to add in an order number, and then you need to add in a repeat every week, 2 weeks, month, 2 months, etc, etc, etc. You can also go down here to custom and select every once, 2 weeks, months, or years. Then from here, you can also add in a start on date, which for this example is gonna be today. And you can also add in ends on whichever date it should be. You can also click whether or not it should expire down here. Then from here, you need to add in the payment term. And then you can add due to receipt, due to end of the month, due to end of next month, etc, etc, etc. You can also configure the terms down here if you want to do that. Then you need to add in a salesperson. And you can create a salesperson down here in Manage Salesperson, or you can select one of your already existing salespersons. Then from here, you need to add in a subject for the recurring invoice. Down here, you need to go down to item table, and here you need to add in your item that you are selling to this company. You can either write it manually up here, or you can add it as a new item down here. Here you can now also change the quantity, the rate, and add a text. You can also go up down here to add a new row. And if you want to delete the row, you simply need to go over to this red square down over here. Just click on that. Then from here, you can see the subtotal. You can add in a discount code if you want to do that, where you can select it from either percentage or a currency. You can add it in shipping charges, or you can add in adjustments. Then from here, you can also add in a customer note if you want to do that, and the terms and condition where you can manually place this in here. Then from here, you can also add in the email communication, and when you're done, you simply need to click Save. Then you can see here the recurring invoice has been created. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!